Hello kids! Today we're going to see another special sound, okay? Let's see this one. Yes! It's the special sound A. Yes, the special sound A. When we have the vowel A and the letter Y, it sounds like A, okay? A. Yes, we're going to see some examples of this special sound A, okay? Let's see the first one. Bay. This is a bay. Yes, bay. Next one. Very good. Let's see the next one. It's a hay. Hay. This is hay. Okay, very good. Let's continue. This one is they. 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 Yes, this is they. Okay, do you remember like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday? Do you remember the song of the days of the week? It says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, let's see another example. This is pay. Pay. This is pay. Pay. Okay, the next one is say. 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 Okay, let's see another one. Play. Play. This is play. Yes. Let's see other. It's way. 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 This is way. Okay, let's see another one. This is lay. 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 Yes, that's correct. So, thank you so much. It's time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.